All right, so this is basically the agency interface. Sorry, the client interface. This is where clients manage agency. Of course, after the client subscribe to our platform, you add your agency, right? I think you come here to add agency. So what basically the client is only able to see. The client cannot do anything, right? So the client has added this agency. You can add more agency, right? So once you add the agency, and you can now see what the agency is doing through this platform, because you see the number of campaign. Total agency is one, active is one. You can suspend an agency when you come here. There are many things you can do to an agency. So you can view details, you can edit, you can suspend an agency, you can remove an agency. Maybe you change your agency and the rest. So right now you want to get details. You see the detail of the agency. That is not what we want to check. You look at performance, and I'll go back to the campaigns, right? So here, as the client, you can quickly see what is happening. Total boards, right? Digital board is 2, static board is 11. You see the average billboard cost, right? So we have 2 tri-face unipole, we have 2 unipole, we have 2 wall panels. So you see the board type, right? And you see your active campaigns, total budget, right? And you see you get those details, right, from here. And then you can also go to the campaign itself. When you come to campaigns, you see the campaign that are currently active, either active or inactive. You can sort by different method. So yeah, you are looking as a client. You're seeing what your your people are doing, your agency are doing, right? So here you can provide review. Here you can send message through this place. So go to the agency, and this is where we even do the review when we are trying to approve a campaign, right? So if you can make comments there, it goes to the agency make corrections, send it back to you. So there's that back and forth until it's done. So here you can view the campaign as agency, as a client, rather you can view the campaign. You can view the analytics, right? You can only view. You can't do anything apart from viewing, right? So that is basically what the client interface looks like. Of course, the client is the one that is paying and other stuff, right? So that's it. That's it.